evasion. On the expenditure reforms, Mr. Speaker, the government will sustain efforts to improve efficiency in public spending and ensure value for money by eliminating non-priority expenditures, retiring expenditure and unsustainable consumption subsidies, reducing tax exemption, scaling up use of public-private partnership financing for commercially viable projects, and rolling out end-to-end procurement system. Mr. Speaker, to address the challenges of perennial low absorption of development partners' funds that have denied Kenyans the full benefit of this financing, the government will put in place policies and administrative measures to minimize payments of unnecessary fees and charges. Let me turn to revenue projections, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, supported by the tax policy